getting a suite room upgrade. I'm so excited to check it out. We actually have a suite already, but it's on a different side of the hotel, so now this is our new room. Okay, so it's 2 queen beds. So this one has a tub. And I think, oh yeah, this is larger than the room that we have right now. And more spacious. Ocean view without any obstructions. And this is what I specifically requested. Direct view to the pier. It's beautiful. Thank you, Marriott.